Okay, good morning, students. I am N. Srinivasul Gaud, lecturer in mathematics, GDC Kalvapurti. Today is discuss about partial differential equations. Subtopic equation easily integrable. Equation equations easily integrable problems. So we discuss today. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, solve the partial differential equations xp plus yq equal to z. xp plus yq equal to z. Solution. Given differential partial differential equation is xp plus yq equal to z. Put equation 1. Comparing equation 1 with its standard form, pp plus qq equal to r. Therefore, p equal to x and q equal to y and r equal to z. Its auxiliary equation is dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r. Is implies dx by x equal to dy by y equal to dz by z. Equating 1 and 2 fractions. Dx by x by equal to dy by y. Integrating on both sides, integrating of dx by x equal to integrating of dy by y is implies to integrating of dx by x mean log x equal to integrating of dy by y mean log y plus log c1. Therefore, log x minus log y equal to log c1. You know, logarithm definition log a minus log b equal to log a by b, same as log x by y equal to log c1. Both side cancellation logarithm. Therefore, x by y equal to c1. Again equating 1 and third fractions. Dx by x equal to dz by z. Integrating on both sides. Integrating of dx by x equal to integrating of dz by z. Therefore, integrating of dx by x mean log x equal to integrating of dz by z is log z plus log c2. Is implies log x minus log z equal to log c2. Same as formula log a minus log b equal to log a by b, same as log x by z equal to log c2. Logarithm both sides cancel. X by z equal to c2. Put equation continue. Therefore, the general solution is f of c1 comma c2 equal to 0. f of c1 comma c2 equal to 0. Therefore, f of x by y comma x by z equal to 0 is the required partial differential equation of given differential equation. Okay, this problem is over. Next to another problem we discuss and solve pyz plus qzx equal to xy. Solve pyz plus qzx equal to xy. Solution. Given partial differential equation is pyz plus qzx equal to xy. Put equation 1. Comparing equation 1 with the standard form pp plus qq equal to r, we get p equal to yz, q equal to zx, r equal to xy. Its auxiliary equation is px by dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r. Same as pq value substituting in this equation, above equation, we get dx by yz equal to dy by zx equal to dz by xy. Equating 1 and 2 fractions, dx by yz equal to dy by zx. Here denominators z cancel. Therefore, dx by y equal to dy by x. Cross multiply, variable separable method. X dx equal to y dy. Therefore, x dx minus y dy equal to 0. Integrating both sides, integrating of x dx minus integrating of y dy equal to integrating 0. Integrating x dx mean x square by 2 minus integrating of y dy mean y square by 2 equal to integrating 0 mean 0. LCM of 2. This side is divide, that side multiply. X square minus y square equal to 2c1. That means x square minus y square equal to c1 dash. Put equation 2. Equating 2 and 3 fractions, dy by zx equal to dz by xy. Here x get cancelled. Is implies dy by z equal to dz by y. Is implies to y dy equal to z dz. Therefore, y dy minus z dz equal to 0. Therefore, integrating on both sides, integrating y dy minus integrating z dz equal to integrating 0. Integrating y dy mean y square by 2 minus integrating z dz mean z square by 2 equal to c2. LCM 2. Y square minus z square equal to 2c2. Therefore, y square minus z square equal to c2 dash. Therefore, the general solution is f of c1 dash comma c2 dash equal to 0. Therefore, f of x square minus y square comma y square minus z square equal to 0 is the required partial differential equation of the given differential equation. Okay, this problem is over. This problem is also important and do very careful. Okay, next we discuss another problem. Solve y minus z into p plus x minus y into q equal to z minus x. Solve y minus z into p plus x minus y into q equal to z minus x. Answer. This problem is important. Listen careful. Given equation is y minus z into p plus x minus y into q equal to z minus x. Equation 1 is of the form pp plus qq equal to r, where p equal to y minus z, q equal to x minus y and r equal to z minus x. The auxiliary equation is dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r. Okay. Therefore, dxy dx by y minus z equal to dy by x minus y equal to dz by z minus x. Using 1, 2, 1, 1, 1 as multipliers, dx by y minus z equal to dy by x minus y equal to dz by z minus x equal to dx 1 into dx plus 1 into dy plus 1 into dz by 1 into y minus z plus 1 into x minus y plus 1 into z minus x is equal to dx plus dy plus dz by y minus z y minus z plus x minus y plus z minus x. Okay, brackets delete. Okay, here plus y minus y cancel, minus z plus z cancel, plus x minus x also cancel. Therefore, dx plus dy plus dz by 0 is implies dx plus dy plus dz equal to 0. Integrating on both sides, integrating of dx plus integrating of dy, integrating of dz equal to 0. Therefore, integrating dx mean x plus integrating dy mean y plus integrating dz mean z equal to c1. Therefore, x plus y plus z equal to c1. Put equation 2. Using x comma y comma z as multipliers. Therefore, dx by y minus z equal to dy by x minus y equal to dz by z minus x equal to x dx plus z dy y dy plus z dy by x into y minus z plus z into x minus y plus y into z minus x is equal to x dx plus z dy plus y dz by xy minus xz plus xz minus yz plus xz minus xy, xy plus xy minus xy minus xz plus xz minus yz plus yz get cancelled. Therefore, x dx plus z dy plus y dz by 0. Therefore, x dx plus z dy plus y dz equal to 0. Therefore, x dx plus d of y z equal to 0. Integrating on both sides, integrating x dx plus integrating d of yz equal to integrating 0. Integrating x dx mean x square by 2 plus integrating d of mean integrating derivation cancel yz equal to integrating 0 means c2. Therefore, x square by 2 plus yz equal to c2. Put equation 3. The general solution is f of c1 comma c2 equal to 0. From equation 2 and 3, f of x plus y plus z comma x square by 2 plus yz equal to 0. Okay, this is the required partial differential equation of the given differential equation. Okay, this problem is over. Okay, we discuss another problem. Solve dz by dx dou x dou z by dou x plus dou z by dou y equal to z by a. A is constant. A is constant. Given differential equation is dou z by dou x plus dou z by dou y equal to z by a. Is implies p plus q equal to z by a. Since dou z by dou x equal to p and dou z by dou y equal to q, put equation 1. P plus q equal to z by a, put equation 1. Equation 1 is the form PP plus QQ equal to R, where P equal to 1 and Q equal to 1 and R equal to Z by A. Next, continue. The auxiliary equation is dx by P equal to dy by Q equal to dz by R. This implies dx by 1 equal to dy by 1 equal to dz by z by A. Okay, put equation 2. Consider first two fractions. Dx by 1 equal to dy by 1 is implies dx equal to dy. Integrating on both sides, integrating dx equal to integrating dy is implies integrating dx mean x equal to integrating dy mean y plus c1. Therefore, c1 equal to x minus y. Put equation 3. Consider first and last two fractions. Dy by 1 equal to dz by z by a. Integrating on both sides, integrating dy equal to integrating of a by z dz is implies integrating dy mean y equal to integrating a into dz by z is implies to y equal to a into integrating dz by z mean log z plus log c2 plus log c2. Therefore, y equal to a into log z plus log c2 by a. Y by a equal to log z plus log of c2 by a is implies to y by a equal to log of log a plus log b mean log ab, same as log of z into c2 by a. Okay, is implies to logarithms, definition of logarithms. E power y by a equal to z into c2 by a. Is implies to c2 by a by c2 equal into e power y by a equal to z. Is implies to c2 into e power y by a equal to z. Therefore, c2 equal to z by e power y by a. Put equation 4th. Therefore, the general solution is f of c1 comma c2 equal to 0. Therefore, f of x minus y comma z by e power y by a equal to 0. Okay, this problem is also important. Do careful. Okay, this problem is, this is the required partial differential equation of the given partial differential equation. Okay, this problem is over. We discuss another problem. Solve y plus z into p plus x plus z into q equal to x plus y. This problem is so important and easy. We do carefully. Essay type question. Solution. Given equation is y plus z into p plus z plus x into q equal to x plus y. Auxiliary equation is dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r. Here, given equation comparing PP plus QQ equal to R. We get P equal to Y plus Z, Q equal to Z plus X, and R equal to X plus Y. Auxiliary equation. Substituting in auxiliary equation, therefore dx by y plus z equal to dy by z plus x equal to dz by x plus y. Each fraction dx plus dy plus dz by all adding y plus z plus x plus y equal to dx minus dy by dx minus dy by y plus z minus z plus x equal to dy minus dz z plus x minus x plus y. Therefore, dx plus dy plus dz by 2x 2y 2z 2x plus 2y plus 2z equal to dx minus dy by here plus z minus z cancel y minus x remaining here is equal to dy minus dz by plus x minus x get cancel z minus y. Therefore, dx plus dy plus dz by 2 into x plus y plus z equal to dx minus dy by y minus x equal to dy minus dz by z minus y. Okay, next to continue. Equating 1 and 2, d of x plus y plus z by 2 into x plus y plus z equal to d of x minus y by x minus y. Integrating on both sides, integrating derivative cancel, integrating of f dash of x by f of x same as 1 by 2 log of x plus y plus z. Integrating of f dash of x by f of x mean log of f of x same as here f of x mean x plus y plus z. 1 by 2 into log of x plus y plus z equal to here d of same f of x mean x minus y, okay, minus log of x minus y plus log c1. Therefore, log of x plus y plus z equal to log of x minus y power minus 2 plus log c1. Logarithm both side cancel. X plus y plus z into x minus y power 2 equal to c1. Put equation 2. Equating 2 and 3. D of x minus y by x minus y equal to d of y minus z by z minus y. D of y minus z by y minus z. Integrating on both sides. Integrating of d of x minus y by x minus y equal to integrating of d of y minus z by y minus z. Okay, this goes to integrating of same f dash of x by f of x log of f of x same as log of x minus y equal to log of y minus z plus log c2 is implies log x minus y minus log y minus z equal to log c2. Log a minus log b mean log a by b same as log of x minus y by y minus z equal to log c2. Both side logarithm cancel. X minus y by y minus z equal to c2. We find c1 and c2. Therefore, the general solution is f of c1 comma c2. F of c1 comma c2 equal to 0. Therefore, f of x plus y plus z into x minus y square comma x minus y by y minus z equal to 0 is the required partial differential equation of the given partial differential equation. Okay, this problem is over. Okay students, next to discuss another problem. Solve pz minus qz equal to x plus y whole square plus z square. Solution. Given equation is pz minus qz equal to x plus y square plus z square. Put equation 1 is implies to z common, p minus q into z equal to x plus y square plus z square is implies p minus q equal to x plus y square plus z square by z is implies p minus q equal to a plus b by k, mean a by k b by k, same as x plus y square by z plus z square by z. Therefore p minus q equal to x plus y square by z plus z square cancel plus z. Auxiliary, put equation 2. Auxiliary equation is dx by 1 equal to dy by minus 1 equal to dz by x plus y square by z plus z. Since this above equation 2 comparing pp plus qq equal to r, we get p equal to 1 and q equal to minus 1 and r equal to x plus y square by z plus z. Therefore dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r. Therefore dx by 1 equal to dy by minus 1 equal to dz by x plus y square by z plus z. Okay, put equation 3. From first and second terms, dx by 1 equal to dy by minus 1 is implies dx equal to minus dy. Integrating on both sides. Okay. From first and second terms, dx equal to minus dy is implies to integrating both sides. Integrating of dx equal to minus integrating dy. Integrating of dx mean x equal to integrating minus integrating dy mean y plus c1. Therefore x plus y equal to c1. Put equation third. Okay, continue. From first and third terms, dx by 1 equal to dz by z plus x plus y square by z is implies dx equal to z dz by z square plus x plus y square is implies dx equal to z dz by z square plus c1 square. Since from equation 1 x plus y square mean c1 square is implies integrating dx equal to integrating of z dz by z square plus c1 square is implies integrating dx equal to 1 by 2 into integrating 2z by z square plus c1 square into dz. Is implies integrating dx mean x equal to 1 by 2 integrating f dash of x by f of x, since log f of x plus c same as 1 by 2 into log of z square plus c1 square plus log c2. Is implies 2x equal to log of z square plus c1 square plus 2 log c2. Is implies 2x equal to log of z square plus c1 square plus log c2 square. Log a plus log b mean log ab same as 2x equal to log of z square plus c1 square into c2 square. Logarithm deputation e power 2x equal to z square plus c1 square into c2 square. Is implies 1 by c2 square equal to e power minus 2x into z square plus c1 square. Put equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, f of x plus y equal to e power minus 2x into z square plus c1 square. Therefore, f of x plus y equal to e power minus 2x into z square plus x plus y whole square. Therefore, this is the required partial differential equation of the given differential equation. Okay, this problem is over. Okay, this partial differential is subtopic is over. Okay, we will do practice very well. Okay, thank you all of you.